Hello, um, my name is Prince Rivera, no? I guess you already know that already. Well, I have this um, Bully version 5, which I got from Bangkok, and it is a stainless rebuildable atomizer, and it has an added feature, which is an airflow control, and we will go on to the close-up. Okay, so this is the Bully version 5, which has an airflow control. Well, no further introduction about this rebuildable atomizers, no? Kasi this is very common sa ating market here in the Philippines. And this one has the airflow control. As you can see, there are these three airflow holes, which I think is around 0.5 millimeters in diameter, no? So the top cap has two parts, the upper part and this lower part, which is separated by an o-ring, ano? Now to make adjustments with your Bully version 5, no? So all we have to do is to rotate the upper part of the top cap clockwise or counterclockwise para magsara yung holes. So with this, isasara natin yung holes muna. Okay, so as you can see, the three holes are completely closed. And then if you want to make a medium setting, we will open the two holes. So dalawang butas na lang yung nakikita nyo, no? Now if you want a tighter draw, we will leave the last hole open. Just like so. So as you can see, there's only one hole open. And then to fully open the AFC again, you just twist it back para mag-open yung three holes. Just like that. So that's how the AFC works with the Bully version 5. So when you buy the Bully version 5, no, it comes with a generic trip tip, and that's all. You will have to buy an extra silica and Cantal for another build, and no screwdrivers or extra tools or screws. This is what you will get. And the Bully version 5 is stainless steel, as you can see outside, but inside the base of the Bully version 5 is chrome plated, and also the two negative and the positive pole plated din siya. And my guess, well, yun ang nakikita ko, no? So don't expect this to be an all stainless steel rebuildable atomizer. And the Bully version 5 comes pre-built with, I don't know what the resistance of the build is, no? And so we will change the build, no, because definitely this is around 1.8 or maybe higher resistance, no? to remove the build, you just unscrew the two Phillips screws and just remove this silica and coil. Well, one thing I noticed dito sa Bully version 5, no, is that the air holes, the three air holes, are not aligned with the holes dun sa positive and negative pin, or rather pole. So keep in mind na when you're building a coil para sa inyong Bully version 5, that you will have to place the coil a little bit lower, maybe around this area dito, so that the coils will be aligned with the three air holes, no? Kasi yung previous build was positioned around this area. So I will suggest that you will put the coil in here, because pag nilagay nyo dito yung coil, no, you will definitely get a much harsher throat hit. Well, if that is your preference, no, you can place the coil here. Well, for me, dito ko ilalagay yung coil. For this build, I will be using a 0.32 millimeter Kanthal, no, with 2 millimeter silica as a wick. I have pre-made this coil earlier, so all we have to do now is to insert the ends of the coil into the holes dito sa may pole, and the other one also. And after that, sikipan lang natin yung positive and negative Phillips head screws. And definitely the Phillips head screws are really very small, so keep that in mind also. Then after adjusting the screws, you just trim off the ends. And after trimming off the ends, because my silica is a little bit big, no, for the top cap chamber, we will trim it off also. Pero konti lang naman. Okay, so we now have a much better build for the Bully version 5. Now after we have built the coil, we will just put in some e-liquids. Now we will be using Homebrew's new flavor, the Tickles, in 6 milligrams. And just put in a few drops. And wet those fresh wicks, and we'll test fire. Then after that, we will close it up with the top cap, and we are almost ready to go. So this is the Bully version 5 with airflow control from Denkat. And since I don't like this drip tip, we will just replace this one. And by the way, if you plan to replace the drip tip, make sure that your drip tip ay yung maliit yung diameter, no, kasi medyo namimili siya ng size ng drip tips. So with this one, kasha siya. Now this is how it will look like. Okay, so that is the close-up of the Bully version 5 with airflow control. Now we will test the performance of the Bully version 5 now. And for the first test, we will adjust the AFC sa kanyang lowest setting, which is the one hole setting. So this is its performance. So that is the performance of the of the AFC na may isang hole lang, no. Now we will go on to the next setting, which is the medium. That is 2 holes. Now this is the medium setting. So that is the medium setting, no. Now for the first setting, no, yung tightness niya is just like vaping on a 510 atomizer. Now the second one is a little bit lighter. Now we will go to the last setting, which is the fully open setting for the Bully version 5. Now this is how it performs. Last one. So that is the Bully version 5 fully open, no? Now the AFC really performed well, no? It has these 3 settings, no? And actually there are 4, wherein the last setting, which is the tightest, pag fully close yung 3 holes, you will get much tighter. It will not close up completely, no? There is still this very tight draw. And well, let's try. That is the one that is fully closed, no? Very tight siya, no? Pero hindi siya fully closed. Well, the AFC is good with the Bully, pero ang napansin ko lang is when it is fully open, it is not really that light of a draw. It is comparable to I think 1 millimeter air hole draw. The fully open setting of the Bully version 5 is good enough because I'm used to 1 millimeter up to 1.3 millimeter air holes, no. Hindi ako mahilig dun sa 2 millimeters or 2.5 or 3 millimeter air holes, no? Pero overall performance is good, and I don't know how long the chrome finish will last with the Bully, no. It is not an all stainless rebuildable atomizer, but definitely a good one. Now for the building is similar to the Era or the Revolution or what else, Pride or Forge. It is similar to those RBAs now. And throat hit is it is dependent on your build. Flavor production is good, and the vapor production is also dependent on your AFC settings. Well, maybe the flavor, I like the flavor because of the small chamber, no? Well, actually, the performance is also similar to the previous versions of the Bully, no? Except that this one has an AFC. Well, if you want a Bully rebuildable atomizer with an airflow control, you will definitely like the version 5, which Denkat is selling right now. Thumbs down, maybe the looks of the Bully, no? The looks of the Bully, it really did not change that much. There is still this tapered top cap and this what you call this base that I don't like. Well, that's me, and I don't know kung okay sa yung ganung design. So that is the Bully version 5 from Denkat. If you want to buy the Bully version 5, you just go to any Denkat store and buy some of this and try it out. So this is Prince Rivera, aka The Great of Pinay Vapors Forum. Again, keep on vaping and have a good day.
Cool.